Whether you're a passionate foodie or a busy professional, a modern electric stove and range appliance combines efficiency, style, and innovation to meet all your cooking needs. So if you want to take your cooking experience to the next level, then here are our top 5 recommendations for you.
Greetings from Smart Home 101. Here we test, review and compare each and every smart home product to ensure you're always up to date on trends while getting the best user experience before making any buying decision. To get the ideal product, don't forget to check the links down below.
Starting off, we have the commercial style range from KitchenAid, a remarkable addition to any kitchen combining functionality, style, and innovation. Its availability in multiple colors seamlessly integrates into any house, creating a cohesive and visually appealing space. It features a restaurant-inspired design and exudes a professional and sophisticated look, elevating the aesthetics of your kitchen. Besides, the precision dial allows for precise control over cooking temperatures, ensuring optimal results. Also, with the built-in Wi-Fi support, you can conveniently monitor and control your range remotely. Additionally, the smart voice control compatibility with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa adds a new level of convenience, allowing you to operate the range hands-free. On top of that, the 20,000 BTU ultra-powered dual flame burner and 5,000 BTU simmer offer impressive versatility, catering to a wide range of cooking needs. From high-heat searing to gentle simmering, this range delivers consistent and precise performance. Overall, the KitchenAid commercially styled range stands as a superb addition to any kitchen. Moving on, we have the GE Profile electric range, which will definitely help elevate your cooking experience at your house. Powered by the Smart HQ app and equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, it brings the joy of cooking right to your fingertips, allowing you to control and monitor your range from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. Also, it keeps your appliances stay always connected and updated, ensuring you always have access to the latest advancements. One standout feature is the built-in air fryer, which eliminates the need for preheating and delivers guilt-free, crispy delights with minimal oil. Indulge in healthier versions of your favorite food without compromising on the taste. Also, the 3600-watt Powerball element brings water to a boil in a flash, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Additionally, its smooth and responsible glide touch controls provide a sleek interface for effortless temperature adjustments and easy navigation through settings. With its innovative features, sleek design, and outstanding performance, the GE Profile truly stands as an impressive modern cooking range. Next, the Haier freestanding electric oven is an absolute delight for any cooking enthusiast. Standing at a sleek 54 cm tall, it effortlessly combines style with functionality. The triple-layered glass door not only adds a touch of elegance but also ensures that the heat is securely retained within the generous 60-liter capacity cavity, resulting in perfectly cooked meals every time. One of the standard features of this appliance is the top section, which boasts 4 burners of varying sizes. This allows for versatile cooking options, catering for all your culinary needs. This thoughtful addition of a splashback behind the cooktop goes the extra mile in minimizing the spread of any oil splatters, ensuring easy cleanup and maintaining a pristine kitchen environment. Also, thanks to its 4 cooking zones, this oven offers ample space to experiment with different recipes simultaneously. And the impressive temperature range from a toasty 50 degrees Celsius to all the way up to sizzling 250 degrees Celsius provides precise control over your cooking process. Its thoughtful features and impressive specifications make it a must-have for any cooking aficionado. For our next electric stove and range, we have the LG InstaView Range, which is sure to transform your experience with its remarkable features and outstanding functionality. With the Air Sous Vide function, you can effortlessly indulge in the art of slow cooking, achieving tender and flavorful results like never before. Also, the 5-burner cooktop provides versatility and flexibility, easily accommodating all your cooking needs. What sets it apart from other ranges is its exclusive InstaView window. With just 2 taps, you can conveniently glance inside the oven without having to open the door, saving time and energy while keeping a close eye on your culinary creations. Not only that, but this range is also equipped by Air Fry feature, which eliminates the need for preheating while still delivering perfectly crispy dishes. You can also take full control of your cooking with the Pro Bake convection feature, easily adjustable throughout the dedicated ThinQ app. And lastly, cleaning up is a breeze with the special Easy Clean mode, simplifying the process and leaving your oven looking spotless. In short, LG InstaView Range is indeed a remarkable kitchen appliance. And finally, we have the Samsung Smart Freestanding Electric Range, which is one of the best kitchen appliances you will find on the market. With its spacious 6.3 cubic feet capacity, it offers ample room for all your culinary creations. Not only does it deliver outstanding performance, but it also boasts a sleek and stylish design that will enhance the aesthetic of any kitchen. Besides, this range also features an air fry function, allowing users to enjoy crispy and delicious meals with ease. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can also effortlessly control and monitor your cooking from anywhere using the SmartThings app. Additionally, the voice control compatibility with Alexa, Google, or Bixby adds a whole new level of convenience to your culinary experience. On top of that, the 3300-watt rapid boil burner ensures quick and efficient cooking, while the 5-burner cooktop provides versatility for various cooking needs. Now, to make it even more convenient, the easy preset buttons simplify cooking processes, and the self-steam cleanup feature allows for effortless maintenance in just 20 minutes. For those who are looking for an excellent, reliable, smart electric range, for them, this is surely a worthwhile investment. So that was all about the 5 best electric stoves and ranges. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.